Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Yes. I'm happy today is Friday. So happy to get done with this work week. Yes, I got a lot of videos that I need to get out. I'm probably 5 videos behind. But also, I would like to say welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back to my channel and checking my videos out. Also, y'all, don't forget to watch my entire video. Thumbs up, as well as leave comments at the bottom. All those things really help my channel. Today, y'all, I'm finna go to Aldi's. I've been seeing and hearing a lot about these Aldi's candles. I think I'm getting ready to head over there just to check the candles out to see exactly what's the big hype about these candles. From what I'm understanding, it's only, let me see if I can get the picture. It's only supposed to be like 4 candles, and they retail for $3.99, which is not bad at all, y'all. Not bad at all. Like I said, it's supposed to be 4 candles. It looked like it's supposed to be Sunday morning, white almond, and fresh laundry, and morning blossoms. So, and like I said, it's supposed to retail for $3.99. We gonna see what those candles do. And I think they have some kind of spa candles as well, and it looked like they come in like a number 1. That's the actual name of it, like number 1. I don't know what that's about, and I'm not sure if like that's the only one. We'll see when we get there, because like I said, I don't really shop at Aldi's, so I don't even know, you know, I don't know actually what kind of candles they have, because I don't shop there, to be honest. I think the last time I was in Aldi's is when I was looking for the Avid wine box, and that was in what, November? So that's been months ago. So I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna try to find these candles. From my understanding, these candles sell out quick. And then we're just gonna do some comparisons. I want to try to find that affordable candle that's gonna give the good throw, that's gonna give the good pull, and is gonna have that cheap price. Yeah, so let's get down here and head to Aldi's to see exactly what we could find. I got the candles. The candles were $3.99, and I got all 4 candles, as y'all see. That's the first one. Now, this candle right here smells amazing, and it smells like fresh, clean clothes, like linen. And one thing I want y'all to know, these candles do not have the notes on them. These are It actually don't have any information on it, just the name and the brand and things like that. It doesn't even say how many ounces, but I'm assuming this is probably like a 14-ounce candle because they're the same exact size of a Bath and Body Works candle. So just opening it and just smelling a cold sniff, this one smells amazing. Amazing. It smells like fresh laundry. Yeah, this one is nice. This white almond, it kind of smells like, it don't smell like almond. This does not smell like almond to me. And I probably shouldn't compare it to the almond candle from Bath and Body Works, because that one is more like creamy and it has a couple of other notes in it. But this one smells almost like cherries almost. Maybe it'll smell different once I light it. Let's see. Morning Blossoms. Very, very light. Very light. I could hardly smell it in the jar. Very. Yeah, this one, I got a feeling this one is going to be a dud. I could barely smell anything in the jar. And as y'all seen, the candles were almost gone. Did I show this one? And then this one. This one is very light as well. This smells almost like lemons, maybe. It's very, very light. I can't really get many notes on this one because it's so faint. The scent is just, I got a feeling this one is going to be a dud as well. But if you want to just go to Aldi's and just get something on the fly, I would recommend this one. I think out of all 4 of these candles, I think this one might be the winner, because out of all of them, this one is the strongest. Yeah, and this actually smells like one of Bath and Body Works candles. I don't know which one, but this smells, it smells so familiar to me. Like I said, this one is very strong. This one kind of smelled like, back when I was a housekeeper, we used to clean the toilets with this pink cleaning stuff. I don't even know, I can't even remember the name of it. That's what this candle smelled like. So that's why I said it's giving me like that cherry note. For it to be a white almond candle, yeah, this is not almond. They named this candle wrong. This is more of a cherry note to me. And so I guess when I get home, I'm gonna light, I think I'm gonna try this one first, and just to give y'all a little feedback on this one, I'm gonna attach it to this video just to see exactly what it do. Okay, y'all, let's talk about this Aldi candle, 3-wick candle. As you see, this is a very slow burning candle. Oh my goodness, slow burning. Once I put the foil around the jar, as you see, the wax melted a whole lot better. The throw, very strong candle. Once all the wax is melted, you really could smell the candle. Very strong. So strong I got a headache. You know, but for the price, for the $3.99, it's not bad. It's not bad for $3.99. I see why everybody is running and getting these candles. It's a very clean scent. It's a very clean scent. It's strong. I wish this candle had the notes on it so we could actually see what's in it. I don't know. I don't think I will buy this candle again just because my head hurts so bad. I'm not sure what's in it that's making my head hurt. And I'm not sure if it's just because I've been smelling so many candles today. I don't know. But for now, I got a slight headache. Well, not a slight headache. I got a for real headache. Yeah, the candle is nice. As you see, it's very simple. Just has the little glued on label. It comes with the clear jar. Blue wax, $3.99. The throw is about a 10. It's very strong throw, but I'm not sure if, because when I first lit the candle, I really could not smell it. I really didn't smell the candle until I put the foil around it. After all the wax melted, then the candle really got strong. But remember, when I smelled it cold, when I smelled the candle cold, it was, the scent was very strong then too as well. So the candle is pretty good for the price of the candle, the $3.99. And like I said, it's the same size as a Bath and Body Works. Let me take it out of here. And again, y'all know you always use that. As you see, it's the exact, it's actually a little bit taller. It's actually a little bit taller than the Bath and Body Works candle. They seem about the same. As you see, they have the same circumference. They're probably about the same. So I'm gonna say that these Aldi candles is about the exact as the Bath and Body Works candles, the 14-ounce candles. I'm gonna say that these are the exact same. It's just that the jar is a little bit taller. I was thinking that these two candles might be the same. I was thinking this linen lavender candle was exactly like the fresh laundry candle, but it's not. And as you see, all these candles is a soy blend. It's not bad for $3.99. It's not a bad candle. So y'all get to Aldi's and grab some of these candles, test them out for yourself before they're all gone. Like I said, people, they running for these candles. I didn't even know I didn't even know Aldi had candles. I really didn't. I just so happened to see it on my Instagram timeline. People talking about it and saying how some stores are sold out. So as y'all seen in the earlier clip, that my store actually didn't have a whole lot of them. They probably had about maybe 20 left, maybe. And I'm not sure when they got them in, but according to the signs, when they gone, they're gone. They're not going to get them back. I guess this is just a limited type of thing. So, yeah. Leave in the comments, have y'all tried all these candles? Because like I said, this is my first time. All right, y'all. I see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments. All right, see y'all in the next one. Peace.